How to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can connect your Monopoly Go app to your Facebook account. So first you have to open your Monopoly Go app, and once you're on your Monopoly Go app, just click these three lines on the top right corner, and here you can see that you get this blue button of add or connect Monopoly Go to your Facebook. You have to click this button, and once you click this button, it's going to give you this prompt of confirmation. You have to click confirm, and it's going to connect your Monopoly Go app to your Facebook. Then you have a second method. You can go to this friends icon on the bottom of your screen. Once you click this, you can see there's this option of add friend. You have to click this Facebook icon, and then it's going to give you the same prompt, and you can click confirm to connect your Facebook to your Monopoly Go app. So this was a process that you can use to connect your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go app, and I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.